Let's take a look at the ingredients needed for honey glazed tofu. 2 slices of firm tofu, 3 tablespoons of honey, 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, handful of spring onion leaves chopped, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of red chilli paste, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic finely chopped, salt to taste, pepper to taste. We'll just take a small frying pan. Now once the pan is a little warm, we'll add some oil, the ginger and garlic. We'll add the red chilli paste, the honey, the light soy sauce, and finally the sweet soy sauce. Add some salt, pepper, and add the 2 slices of tofu in it. We're basically going to cook the tofu in this sauce that we've made. And we'll just take some of the glaze from the side and pour it on top of the pieces of tofu. We'll just cook this till the sauce thickens a bit and the flavors are well absorbed inside the tofu. Now this is again a very versatile recipe. You can cut smaller pieces and do this as an appetizer, or this along with the sauce you can just serve it on a bed of rice with some stir-fried greens or a salad on the side. You see, now the tofu that was the side that was at the bottom has slightly changed color, we noticed after flipping. Now we'll just add the spring onion leaves and the sesame seeds. If you don't like tofu or it's not easily available, you can also do this with paneer. We'll just cook this on a high flame for a minute. Just turn off the flame and it's ready to serve. So here you go, quick and easy honey glazed tofu. If you like this recipe and would like to learn more, subscribe to India Food Network. If you have any comments or questions, do write into us. Till then, keep watching.